Hey everyone, we're here tonight with a 2010 Mazda 3, and tonight we are changing out the blower motor resistor. So this one here, I'm going to turn the fan on. 1, got nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. And 4, got full speed. That's because the resistor is gone and the 4th setting works with no resistance. So moving into the passenger footwell. We're going to start with taking off this plastic cover here. There's a clip here and a clip there. And then there's this dummy electrical connector. I think it was for floor lighting or footwell lighting. Let's remove that. You just have to wiggle it out. There. Next, we gotta take out this side cover. If you've ever done your cabin filter, you know how to do this. This little hole here. Stick a finger in there, pull out, and then slide it toward the back of the car. That's it. Taking a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. We're gonna get the screw right above and below the resistor. That one there. There's our resistor. And disconnect the electrical connector. Just push down on this tab and pull it out. We've got our new part here, and you'll see, looking at it this way, top right, there's a guide pin hole. So this can only go in one way. Your electrical connector. Done. Now let's test this before we close everything up. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're good. The side panel cover, the tongue here, is going to go into that slot. And just line these up, push them both in. Connect this if you want, or don't. Either way is fine. I'm only connecting it because you might hear it rattling around. Okay. There's a stud here. That square hole is you're gonna use that. Put that through. And then put those 2 tabs in these here. 1, 2. and we're done. And that's how you change a blower motor resistor on a 2nd gen Mazda 3. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.